When operating your RYOBI zero-turn electric riding mower, be sure to clear the area of children, bystanders, and pets before operating the mower. If anyone enters the mowing area, stop immediately and do not return to mowing until the bystanders leave the area. Before you begin to mow your grass, find a large, level, and open area to practice operating the mower. Be sure your seat is locked in place. An unsecured seat can cause the operator to shift and lose control of the mower. It's important to learn how to operate the drive levers. The drive levers control the mower's direction as well as starting and stopping. Make sure the drive levers are in the open position before you sit down or get up off the mower seat. Neutral position is used to move the mower and bring it to a gradual stop. This is the normal way to stop the mower. To travel forward, simultaneously move both levers forward. The further forward the levers are pushed, the faster the mower will go. To drive to the right, move left lever forward while also moving the right lever forward. Be sure to keep the right lever slightly behind the left lever. When making a zero turn towards the right, remember to slow down, but make sure the rear wheels are still in motion. Simultaneously move right lever backwards past neutral and move the left lever forward past neutral. To drive to the left, move right lever forward while also moving the left lever forward. Be sure to keep the left lever slightly behind the right lever. When making a zero turn towards the left, remember to slow down, but make sure the rear wheels are still in motion. Simultaneously move left lever backwards past neutral and move the right lever forward past neutral. To reverse, remember to look behind you and down before you begin. Simultaneously move both levers backward to operate in reverse. To turn to the right in reverse mode, move the left lever backwards while also moving the right lever backwards, and be sure to keep the right lever slightly in front of the left lever. To turn to the left in reverse mode, move the right lever backwards while also moving the left lever backwards, and be sure to keep the left lever slightly in front of the right lever. To slow down, pull both levers together back toward the neutral position. Always use the control levers to slow the unit. The brake pedal is used for slowing and stopping the mower in an emergency situation or parking. To engage the parking brake, place drive levers in open position. Fully depress and hold the brake pedal. Press your foot forward and fully depress the parking brake with your toes. Then release the brake pedal. To release the parking brake, depress and release brake pedal. For safe operation, be sure to clear the area of children, bystanders, and pets before operating the mower. If anyone enters the mowing area, stop immediately and do not return to mowing until the bystanders leave the area. Keep children out of the mowing area and in the watchful care of a responsible adult other than the operator. Never operate with children on board, even with the blades shut off. They may fall off and be seriously injured or interfere with safe machine operation. Children who've been given rides in the past may think it's safe to approach the mower while in operation, increasing the risk of being run over or backed over by the machine. You must use extra caution when operating on any slope or incline. Never use on steep slopes greater than 15 degrees. Use the slope guide that's provided in your product operator's manual to determine the slope if you're not sure. Front caster wheels can rotate when mower is stopped, causing the mower to go over the edge or into the water. Always look down and behind you before and when moving in reverse or turning around. Do not mow on wet grass. Tires may lose traction and you may lose control.